We're in this very special grace period where the government is leaving us alone. We have an opportunity to organize around best practices, protection, and legality. We're going to want to make sure that as they're drinking it, before they're drinking it, they're well poised in their physical and psychological health to be able to make use of the experience and integrate the experience. While under RFRA, the burden is on the government to show why a particular practice is a threat, let's say, to the public health and safety. It's incumbent also on the group to show that they are engaging in it in a responsible way, in a healthy way, and also to show that they are a bona fide religious group, that they have, a set of beliefs, history, practices, rituals. It's one of the core concerns of the government about diversion. Remember, this still is considered a Schedule I substance, and so they want to make sure that a Schedule I substance is being tracked and accounted for to every last drop. In order to get an exemption, the practice that you're engaged in that's considered illegal or violating a regulation needs to be absolutely core to your religious, spiritual beliefs. This doesn't mean that a group that is using, one medicine, one sacrament, that they don't see the value of using other plant medicines, and people might, certainly be doing that in their individual lives. Yet that's different from saying that it's actually core to your religious, group and purposes. It's good to consult with lawyers who have some background in this, so that one, you'll have, if something does happen, you'll already have some lawyers familiar with it, protect you or help move things along. But there's other issues besides just the paperwork for incorporation. Well, there are some lawyers who have worked on the actual exemption cases for the UDV and the Santo Daime, and there's other lawyers that have a background in religious law. However, I would recommend that people come to us, Chacruna. We have the Council for the Protection of Sacred Plants, and we have numerous very qualified lawyers that on our committee, as well as academics and researchers who are very involved with these questions. While the government is not pursuing ayahuasca, it's still, in their minds, is considered a controlled substance, so technically it's still considered illegal. So because of that, there is a possibility of putting yourself or the participants at risk.